So we are given a Java program and our task is to write a Python equivalent code for it. So first let us see what we are doing here. So here first we are creating object for the scanner class and the string builder class. So the object name for the scanner class is SC and the object name for the string builder class is SB. And then we are creating a while loop. So here the condition is sc.hasNextLine. So this hasNextLine method returns either true or false. So it returns true if there is an input in the next line. If there is no input in the next line, then this hasNext method returns false and we will come out of the while loop. So whenever it returns true, we will enter into the while loop. So let us see what we are doing inside this while loop. So in every iteration of this while loop, we are accepting a complete line of space separated string as the input. So here we can see that we are using sc.nextLine, and after accepting the complete space separated string as the input, we are removing the empty spaces because we are using the trim method. So it will remove the empty spaces in the end of the string. And after removing those empty spaces, we are applying the split method. So now this string will be splitted based upon the spaces. So the array of space separated integers is present in the array named current line. And now what we are doing is again we are creating a for loop and we are iterating through each and every string value present in the current line. And we are appending the last character of each and every word. So if there is a string named hello, then we are appending the character O, which is the last character. And similarly, if there is a string named world, then we are appending the last character D. So that is what we are doing inside this for loop. So finally, after the execution of this while loop, we would have accepted all the lines of input and we would have iterated through every space separated string and we would have appended the last character to the string builder SB. And then finally, we are reversing the string builder SB and we are converting it into a string and we are printing it. So now our task is to write a Python program which performs all of these actions. So first we can create a separate list named SB, and then we have to accept several lines of strings as input, and after accepting each and every line we have to iterate through the space separated string values, and while iterating through each and every space separated string we have to append the last character of each and every string to the list. And finally, after accepting all the lines as input, we have to print the contents present in the list in reverse order. So this is our task which we need to perform. So now let us see how we will be writing a Python code for it. So first I am creating a new empty list named SB, and then I am creating an infinite while loop. So we are creating an infinite while loop because we are not given how many lines of input will be given. So manually we have to accept each and every line, and once we have reached the end we have to break out of the while loop. So in every iteration within the try block, first we are trying to accept a string as input. In case if we have accepted all the string values, then an exception will be created. So we will be using this exception to break out of this while loop. So in the except block we can see that we are executing the break condition. So this is how we will break out of this infinite while loop. And then in the try block, first we are accepting a string, and using the split method we are splitting the string based upon the space values. So it will return a list of string values and it is now stored into this variable named current line. And now we have to iterate through each and every space separated string. So I am creating a loop that iterates through each and every item present in the list. So for item in current line, we have to append only the last character to the SB. So what we are going to do is we are going to reverse and take the first character. So I am setting item is equal to item :-1. So for example, if the string value is ABC, then it would have updated to CBA. So it would have become reverse. So now the last character has become the first character. So now we have to append the first character to the SB. So using the append method, we can append the first character of item to SB. So this is how we will be iterating through each and every space separated string value, and we will append the characters to SB. And finally, after the execution of the while loop, we have to again reverse the list and print the each and every character. So again we have to use the double colon and -1 in order to reverse the list SB, and after reversing it we have to print each and every character. So this is how we can write a code in Python which performs the same logic similar to the given Java code. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.